I found a coin that has a lot of utility behind it, something that is already listed on a bunch of different exchanges and is now, pretty much when this video goes live, also going to get listed on BloFin over here. The project we're going to talk about today is called TenUp. In the past month, we're up like 30 something percent. In the past 7 days, we're up 100% since, at a market cap of 4 million with a fully diluted valuation of 7 mil. And they do a couple cool things, so I thought, let me show this one to you. They're a decentralized blockchain platform designed to bridge the gap between crypto and real world utility. Because usually when it comes to Web 2 and Web 3, it's difficult to bring people from one side to the other, so you gotta make the way in between as simple as it gets. Now, they're expanding onto Base fairly soon, which means instead of just being over here on ETH, it is also going to be available on Base, so far less gas fees, better scalability and secure solutions. And it's their mission to build like a comprehensive Web3 ecosystem for different dApps that make crypto adoption a lot easier and simplify the entire process. They also have an ongoing Zeally campaign over here, as well as an announcement on their Twitter for their mega airdrop, which goes until the very last moment of this year, which you can get $500 for that. I'm probably going to link it down below so you can check it out yourself, but let's focus more on what they do, where they're listed, and why they're doing what they're doing. They have a bunch of different things available already that can be used for it. For example, one of them over here is called Travala.com. Book 3 million hotels, flights, and activities with crypto, which you know is something that should simply exist, but most airlines don't offer that. They don't have crypto as a payment option. In this case though, let's say you want to fly near Christmas from New York City to Vegas. There are 117 flights available for that time frame. So just like normally when you book any type of flight, similar platform with the option to pay in crypto. Then we get the analyzer over here, for example. They have copy trading available. They have blockchain-based gaming available. They get their virtual mining over here as well. And they even have the option on multiple sites in order to purchase their token with normal money. So instead of signing up to an exchange, which takes forever, then going through KYC, then learning about crypto, then depositing money, verifying your bank account, figuring out how to buy something, doing all these complicated steps, they make it as simple as possible, which is select your currency and you can buy it fairly easily. So all those barriers to crypto adoption, they bring them down as much as they can. They also got this game over here called Ludo Love, which is available on the App Store on Google Play, which again is like a fairly simply gamified way in order to bring people from Web 2 in order to Web 3, while also allowing, with all of that combined, to have the entire crypto experience on one single ecosystem. Now the projected price is going to be between 6 to 10 mil at the end of this year, but if you look at all the different things that they offer, it can probably easily go to like 20 mil, if not more. If we look at things like Uniswap, for example, it swaps things and that's pretty much it, right? Like Uniswap does one thing. You can swap and do some cross-chain activity, but you don't do much, and there's a 10 billion. So if TenUp would be just 1% the size of Uniswap, it would be about a 25x just from here. They also have a bunch of different guides available for everything that they offer. For example, when it comes to the analyzer platform, how it works, what you should do, step by step, everything on here on their YouTube. And with them being listed on BitChat, Maxi, Bitmart, BloFin, which is happening right now, and more, they already have done more than most other projects. And you can see simple announcements and exchange listings can easily bring up the price by like 20% and more in a very short time frame, just based on the market cap and hype alone. Now let's say, for example, you want to join and test out the analyzer platform. That is fairly simple. What will the Bitcoin to USDT value be on Thursday, October 16th, 2025? Will it go up or down from the current amount? And you could then decide, is it going to go up? Is it going to go down in a year from now? And buy and hold based on that, for example. Now they had a couple different rounds before, and by a couple I mean quite a lot. And it's pretty much always based on the ETH and Bitcoin price for now. So that by itself might be something for you. But then they also got copy trading available. So instead of making decisions yourself, you can copy the trades from other people. Connected exchanges are OKX, BitChat, and Binance, and which they also give utility again to their token, as that can be used for the membership price. So as you can tell, they do have a lot of different products. And with they're also getting listed on more and more exchanges, if we simply look at the white paper and the overall objective that they have and the strength that they bring, it's the ability to create innovative decentralized applications that can revolutionize the existing ecosystem, which simply means kind of like if we have gaming as like an underlying foundation and there's a single game that pops off, everything else does well. If a company has 20 games and one of them performs well, it's awesome. If a venture capitalist invests into 20 things and one of them pays off, that makes it for the other 19. In this case, they have lots of different products And if one of them takes off, like Travala, for example, I can easily see this one taking off and people using this one on a daily basis for any sort of traveling, then everything else in the ecosystem is going to take off too. That plus the fact that they have staking available with up to 25% APY on there and a large chunk of their token being staked at the moment makes this on something that is not just here short term, but long-term oriented. Obviously, look into this one yourself, read the white paper, look through everything, see how you feel. Maybe look into the audit by Certic, on which they got a fairly high score on community, market, as well as the operational sides of things. I'll follow them on Twitter and see if you can also see the long-term vision. Personally, I only buy things, or at least I try to buy things and trade things that I buy now, hold for months, if not a year, and then sell for profit in the future. And if I would have known about this a week ago, I would have been up 2x already. Did I know about this a week ago? No, I didn't. That's why information is key. I will leave the links to everything down below. Don't forget, they're getting listed on BloFin pretty much right now when I record this video and it goes live. And if you want to get the token, either sign up to that or go to any of these exchanges over here. Or if you would like to use fiat currency, there are a couple ways for that. You can use Change Now, you can use Gordarian, which you can spend normal money in order to get some crypto, get some TUP, making it available whether you're into crypto or not. Links down below, you know it's not financial advice, and I'll see you fairly soon, maybe even at the time, when you win the $500 Zeely campaign, as that is free to enter, and you never know. Somebody has to win, so could be you. See you guys fairly soon, and until next time, take care.